So you're planning to implement an LMS in your environment. It could be anywhere, a corporate office, educational institute. But this is one question you would have heard from everyone. You got to have a SCORM compliant LMS. And that SCORM is really, really important, etc., etc. This video is created in an effort to take a jab and address this very question. So let us quickly dive in to understand what SCORM is. Why is it really important? And even if it is important or not. And to understand this, it is quite essential to go through the basics before addressing these important questions. Understanding the what. What does SCORM stand for? SCORM. S stands for shareable. C stands for content. O stands for object. R stands for reference. And M stands for model. So SCORM tells programmers how to write their codes so that it can play well with other e-learning softwares. It's the industry standard for e-learning interoperability. Specifically, SCORM governs how learning management systems communicate with each other. SCORM is purely a technical standard and doesn't speak to instructional design or pedagogical concern. Shareable content object indicates that SCORM is all about creating units of online training material that can be shared across all systems. SCORM is a result of Department's Defense Advanced Distributed Learning, or commonly known as ADL initiative. SCORM compliant courseware elements can be easily merged with other compliant elements to produce a highly modular repository of training materials. And all in all, SCORM content will run on any learning management system that is SCORM compliant. So what is SCORM? As mentioned, SCORM stands for Shareable Content Object Reference Models. It is a collection of standards that ensures content compatibility with SCORM compliant LMS. Let's take an example which will help you understand this better. Let's take the example Paradiso LMS. Course content on a SCORM LMS can be reused and uploaded on various SCORM compliant software systems without any edits or modification. And in addition, data regarding user activity, that is anything from user scores to whether or not users have accessed the course content, is governed by SCORM compliant LMS. Let me give you another example, an easy one. Let's take a DVD, for example. When you buy a new movie on DVD, you do need to check and see if it works with your brand of DVD player. A regular DVD will play on a Toshiba the same way as it will play on a Panasonic. That is because DVD movies are produced using a set of standards. And without these standards, a studio releasing a new movie on DVD would have a huge problem. They would need to make differently formatted DVDs for each brand of DVD player. And this is how online learning used to be before SCORM was created. Let's now understand the why. Why should you use SCORM, or why should you have a SCORM compliant LMS? The SCORM standard makes sure that all e-learning content and LMSs can work with each other. Just like the DVD standard makes sure that all DVDs will play in all DVD players. If an LMS is SCORM conformant, it can play any content that is SCORM conformant. And any SCORM conformant content can play in any SCORM conformant LMS. Let's quickly understand the features of a SCORM Compliant LMS. AICC and SCORM. AICC helps facilitate communication between the course content and the learning management system. SCORM is all about creating elements of online training material that can be shared across systems. When your content is SCORM compliant, it'll help in remaining durable as technology evolves. While on the other hand, it'll enable you to access it, share it, and reuse it more easily. It'll also open up many avenues, that is, the possible markets for you to sell your content. Creating SCORM compliant courses. Creating SCORM courses is quite simple. We have an in-house authoring tool, namely Paradiso Composer, that can create SCORM compliant e-learning courses. Composer allows you to publish content in various SCORM formats. A published SCORM file is basically a zip file that contains all the files that are essential to make e-learning courses run on an LMS. These SCORM files are then uploaded on an LMS, making them usable for the learners. In fact, at Paradiso, we make sure that the courses our client gets are already SCORM compliant so that they can start using it from the word go. Benefits of SCORM e-learning. SCORM e-learning makes the life of an e-learning author easy by allowing the use of different course authoring software tools to create course content. This helps in saving the effort, time, and money that gets spent on creating the course content. Also, the old e-learning courses content can be reutilized, while the new and external content can be added to the LMS with a few clicks. The best part, you ask? Earn some additional profit by selling the SCORM compliant courses. SCORM reporting. The reporting system in a SCORM LMS is simply unparalleled. It's more in-depth and detailed as the reports track the learner's activity and progress on given course content. There are many types of reports that can be generated on the SCORM object, that is the courses, namely participation reports, trend statistics, activity reports, and many more. The reports can be of two types, either run on demand or scheduled to run automatically, and the results can be viewed on screen and downloaded as an Excel or CSV. So that was about it. If there's any questions, you can reach out at sales@paradisosolutions.com or call on the number 1-800-513-5902. Thank you.